Hello everybody, Greg Offenbach here on Magician Lake in Cass County, Michigan today. Got a couple of motors we're trying out today. One of them is this beautiful 1958 Johnson Seahorse 10. I am the third owner of it. I bought it from a friend of mine in Tennessee that had it, and he decided that he didn't have need for it or didn't want to use it, so I ended up buying it from him. It's just almost mint condition. Even the badge has survived all these years. It's very low hour motor. I haven't done a lot to it other than new coils. It had the original coils, and of course they were all cracked and shot. New coils, new points, condenser. It's pumping plenty of water right now. I have not changed the impeller. I will do that this winter. I didn't go touch the carburetor even. It seemed to run good in the barrel, so I thought I'd run it out here on the lake. But I'll probably put a carburetor kit in it this winter as well. That way it's all done. So let's give it a little test run here. I got to switch, use my right hand to start. I'm not very good pulling these ropes with my left hand. Last time I tried it with my left hand, I fell backwards flat on my back. Idle's real nice. Just a little rich. I'll lean her up a little. Doing about 12 miles an hour earlier when I checked my GPS, and then I lost the GPS signal for whatever reason, I don't know. It's a little choppy out here today, so this end of the lake isn't too bad. Well, there it is. We're pushing a 14-foot bluefin deep V boat today. Pretty good sized boat. I always take an extra motor with me just in case. Got 2 gas tanks. And my wife along for the ride for a little weight up front. That'll do. There's reverse. Pumping lots of water. That about do it. Thanks for watching. Have a good time on the water.